Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Wardeman. Here are some pictures of me with my husband and our daughter. A little bit more about me. I graduated from Concordia University in Nebraska in 2015. I have my LTD, which is my Lutheran Teacher's Diploma. My degree is that I can teach any grades 4 through 9, so a middle level degree, and I had an emphasis in math and reading. And also, while I was at Concordia, I got to play some Bulldog volleyball for the 4 years I was there, which was a great experience. Some of my goals for this course is just to learn more about science. I didn't get my degree in science, and looking back, I wish I would have done math and science, but I learned a lot doing math and reading. I teach all of the science for fifth grade at Shell Creek, so I'm really excited for this course to just learn more about science and dive deeper into the standards that are changing and how I can just teach science better. I have been married for 4 years now. We had our first child in October. Her name is Tenley. She will be 9 months here in July, and we just love her and love spending time with her. She's growing every day, which is just awesome. We also have an Australian Shepherd. Her name is Dixie. We've had her, I think, for 3 years now, and she is a ball of fun, very ornery dog, but we love her. This next school year will be my 5th year teaching, and all of those years teaching, I've been teaching at Shell Creek Elementary, which is part of the Lakeview School District outside of Columbus, Nebraska. Yeah, I just finished my 4th year, and I think I mentioned all of those. I've been teaching 5th grade. I also coach 7th grade volleyball at Lakeview, and there's a group of girls that I have coached in the past. Fun facts, my birthday is on 11/24. My favorite food is popcorn, and my favorite candy is Reese's, and they have to be the Reese's Cups or an egg, but if you would get anything else in there, it's not the same, doesn't taste the same. My favorite subject was math. I had an emphasis in math when I was in college, so obviously my favorite subject is math. Me and my husband have an issue with getting hooked on new shows. So my shows list that we watch is very large. We like Grey's Anatomy. I like to watch Bachelor, Bachelorette, Bachelor in Paradise. And then my husband will watch with me This Is Us, A Million Little Things, and Manifest. So don't know if any of you guys like those shows, but we are hooked. And then just some of my hobbies I enjoy. I love doing DIY projects and restoring old things. I love antiques. Volleyball obviously is a hobby. I play sand and court ball in the winter. I like to go biking, running, walking. I like reading. The recent books I've read are the ones by Rachel Hollis. Ladies, if you need good reads, I definitely recommend both of her books, Girl Wash Your Face and Girl Stop Apologizing. Definitely recommend those 2 books. And then bonfires. As you can see here, I have a nice bonfire going in our backyard one evening. Can't wait to meet all of you.